Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your Instagram story from someone without letting them know, so they won't get any notification or be aware at all that you're hiding them from your story. It just won't pop up your stories. So if you want to hide people from your stories, just stay tuned. I'll show you guys how to do it. So all you have to do is go over to your Instagram and open that up. Then you just got to go over to your story that you see. So right now I just got this story I posted. Now all you want to do is go to the bottom right corner where you see the option of more with the 3 dots. Click on that. And then you want to click on story settings at the very bottom. That will open up this page here, and at the very, very top, you guys can see it says hide story from. So you can go ahead and click on that, and then you can click on the people that you want to hide your story from, and then click on done. Now, this will keep them hidden from every story in the future, so you have to go back and uncheck them if you just want them to be hidden from a certain story. So you just got to hide them from that certain story until that story is gone, and then you could unhide them. So totally up to you, but you could play around with this setting. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to hide your Instagram story from someone without letting them know. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.